Want to become a DevOps master and streamline the entire software development lifecycle? You've come to the right place. Today, we're laying out the Complete DevOps Roadmap, a step-by-step guide to help you conquer the world of continuous integration and continuous delivery. DevOps is all about bridging the gap between development and operations, automating processes, and improving collaboration. It's a highly sought-after skill set, so let's break down how you can become a DevOps pro. Step 1. Foundational knowledge. Start with a solid understanding of Linux. Familiarity with the Linux command line is essential. Networking. Basic networking concepts like TCP/IP, DNS, and firewalls. System administration. Understanding how operating systems and servers work. Step 2. Version control. Git. Master Git for managing code changes, collaborating with teams, and tracking revisions. Step 3. Continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD. Learn how to automate the build, test, and deployment processes using tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, or GitHub Actions. Step 4. Infrastructure as code, IAC. Learn how to manage and provision infrastructure using code with tools like Terraform, Ansible, or CloudFormation. Step 5. Containerization. Docker and orchestration, Kubernetes. Learn how to package applications into containers using Docker and manage those containers at scale using Kubernetes. Step 6. Cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, GCP. Gain experience with at least one major cloud platform. Step 7. Monitoring and logging. Learn how to monitor system performance, collect logs, and identify issues using tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or ELK Stack. Step 8. Soft skills. DevOps is all about collaboration, so strong communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills are crucial. This roadmap might seem like a lot, but remember to focus on one step at a time. Many online resources, courses, and certifications are available to help you along the way. With dedication and continuous learning, you can become a DevOps pro and help organizations build and deploy software faster and more reliably. What are your DevOps goals? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech, career advice, and insights.